Welcome to rigorcool.com. Imagine spending hours writing and debugging test scripts only to find single comma broke everything. What if I told you there's a way test English which generate test cases automatically and even record actions without coding? Sounds interesting. Well, it's happening now with testRigor. I am planning to create a series of video on testRigor where I will explain its different aspects of the tool, AI components, writing the test cases in plain English language, and a lot more. If you wanted to explore this tool, feel free to check the link in descriptions. Today, I'm going to show you the three powerful ways you can automate test in testRigor: test creations, AI powered generations, and recording. Let's dive in. To start with this, here, first we have to create test suite. For creating a test suits, we have to just add name of the test suits. Where I wanted to automate this simulator bank web-based application. And the process is here you have to just enter mobile number, select the bank and create account. Once you will enter these details, the new account is created for you, which we can verify it even from manage account sections. Here we have to enter mobile number, search accounts, that accounts will be available for you. I will just add this searches simulator bank. It's desktop web testing. Here's the URL. There's a no username and password for this one. As of now, I'm using Windows applications. Chrome is my browser and number of test cases to generate using AI is one instance at a time. We'll click on create test suits. This is a banking application which creates accounts using mobile number. So that's the discussions I wanted to add it here. Click on create test suits. It will take few seconds and this test suits will be generated. For building a test cases, here with the help of AI, I will create, regenerate, add and build, which will give us the platform where we can add the test cases. The complete account creations workflow using mobile started generating, which we can see it practically. You can see this image is generated. As of now, it will randomly enter any mobile number, then it will select the dummy bank accounts. Post that, select the account type, which is deposit, current or saving. FI type is also there. Generate transactions and click on create tab. That's the manual process, but we are generating it directly. You can see here it will generate and this account number is generated. Whenever the account number is generated, we have to click on manage account and from there we can verify the account details. So these are the steps which is generated by AI. Instead of that, if I wanted to create a test case where I will just add test case, generate sample test using AI or generate actual test using AI. Here I will add actual account creation. Go to where we can create the test cases with the help of recording. Now, how to achieve it? Let me show you first. I will go to this page. From this one, I will start new recording, which is the first process where we can create the test cases with the help of recording. The recording has been started. I will just randomly enter 10 digits mobile number. From this sections, I will select my bank, in which bank I wanted to create the account. Then deposit type. I want the deposit account itself. Account is my saving and transactions detail. If you want, you can select it as well as keep as it is. Click on create. This account has been generated and post that I wanted to verify this number. So with this number, my accounts will be generated. What I will do, I will copy this and whenever I wanted to verify this account is created or not, will enter same detail and search for the account. Here we have accounts available. Interesting thing is we have not done anything, not even writing a single line of code for generating or for creating these automations. Let me pause it. And whenever I will stop this recording, whatever steps I manually generated will have each sequence available and the test cases will be added successfully. This is a simulator bank I wanted to create, not for the login page, but account creations. Account creation with recording. If you can see here, these are the steps. What I did, enter mobile number, click FIP ID on the left of this options. I mean the radio buttons which we have selected. Click FI type and all those sections because we have not selected anything. Then if required, we can change those informations, but here we did not did anything, which we can remove it. So radio button is random. Check that page contains these number. Once the account is created, click on manage accounts and enter this on the next page and click search accounts. We'll add this test cases here. Whenever we'll click on this add, the new test cases is added for me. So whichever steps we have performed manually, that got recorded. And whenever we'll go back to the previous sections, I will see this has been started. I will show you practically how this test cases will looks like. In terms of the executions, it started and here we can see every screenshots are generated successfully. And finally, we also have, if you wanted to see the test cases, how it's generated, the automation steps, we can see it here. Now, first it will navigate it to the site. In this site, it will try to enter the mobile number, then select it for the this bank, Dhanagar Bank, create an account, check if that page contains this number. And whenever we'll click on manage accounts, it will enter this number along with mobile number and click on mobile number search. Whenever we click on search accounts, this will show me the type of accounts or which type of accounts which we have, which is a very quick enough and the complete automations is generated with the simple step. Whenever we wanted to generate these type of test cases, it's very quick and we can execute it with the simple terms. You can see it here. We can execute this again and see the result. In the final executions, you can see this results has been generated where the screenshots along with the screenshots are there. This is the first approach where we can test any test cases with the help of recording. After that, we can also extract these account details and get the verifications, which is simple enough. And look at this, it's like telling a friend what to do and testRigor understand it, which will create end-to-end test cases for you without writing a single line of code. So no need for XPath or CSS selector, just simple English language will make this test cases generated automatically, which is having less stress, more automations. Now let's talk about another approach. You can add the descriptions and here you can start writing the test cases. Those written after test cases are quicker enough, which is we have to just add in simple plain English language, that is enter mobile number into mobile number search box. Next actions will be next one, selections of banks. Select from the options, that is the second options. Third is exactly same like what we did in previous steps in terms of recording. So instead of doing the recording, you can write it down all those test cases in plain English language, which is quick enough where we have to just write enter mobile number into mobile number fields. Click FIPID, or you can just directly write it down. Select Dhanagar Bank from the radio buttons. We can also talk about click create account, that is the button. By this way, within the plain English language, you can write down the test cases very quickly. When we are talking about AI powered test cases, ever felt stuck wondering what test cases you should create? AI has your backup. testRigor scans your app and generate meaningful test cases for you. No more guesswork. It's like having a super smart testing assistant on your team. Now, the future of testing is here. There we have it. Three powerful ways to automate testing in testRigor. Which one do you think is the most useful for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you wanted to master testRigor, hit subscribe because we have planned couple of more videos coming soon on your way. That's all from today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.